pick generative words. So what do we mean by picking generative words? At some level, all the words, you want students to learn all kinds of different words, but if you have limited time and students with low vocabulary levels, it's very important to start with the words that are going to be most important in their lives and that will give them access to texts that from which they can learn and learn more words. So by generative words, what I mean is, first of all, words that occur frequently across different content area texts, words like those on the academic word list that we use as a starting point for selecting words in word generation, but also words that are presented in a way that connect to one another, words that give a lot of opportunity for teaching morphological variation, and words that the students themselves are going to need to use if they want to make arguments, be persuasive, discuss evidence, words that they can make their own by using them.